What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and Huawei has been on a roll with their Y Series 2019 lineup. We've taken a look at the Y9, the Y6 and Y7 Pro, and today we have the big boy of the lineup, the Y Max. And when I say big boy, I am not kidding. I'm a big boy myself. I'm 6 feet, more than 200 pounds, but even in my hands, this thing is huge. Ira, come here. Ira, small girl. Ira for scale. It's as big as her face. Okay? I mean, at this point, it's not a phone anymore. It's pretty much a phablet. And aside from the size, the first thing you notice is that at the back, we don't get a plastic or glass surface. Interestingly enough, Huawei decided to actually go for leather here, and it kinda makes it feel like you already have a case. And this also means you won't have to worry about fingerprints or smudges. But maybe down the road, I don't know, I think you're gonna have to keep it clean so that it doesn't peel or look dirty. Anyway, moving on. With a device this big, you can also expect a huge battery, which the Y Max indeed has. You get a capacity of 5,000 mAh, which should be plenty enough, especially with that huge 7.12-inch IPS display. So the display is rocking a resolution of 2244 by 1080, which at this size is still sharp. It gets really bright at the maximum setting, which is good for the outdoors. Colors are vibrant and viewing angles are good. On the top portion of the screen, obviously we get a water drop notch that houses the 8-megapixel selfie camera. On the bottom, we do get a little bit of a chin, which in this case I think is okay, since this helps with holding the device and not accidentally pressing something. Now looking at the sides real quick, the frame is made out of aluminum alloy. On the left, we have a slot for the card tray with dedicated slots for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. On the right, the power and volume buttons that I think should be positioned a little bit lower just because of how big the device is. But the buttons do feel nice and clicky. The buttons feel nice and clicky. Down below, a microphone, loudspeaker, headphone jack, and micro USB port. Okay, so right now, the biggest question I have about this device is, who is this even for? Well, let's see. Watching movies on this thing is great. I mean, 7-inch display, right? That also makes it good for gaming, especially with games like Mobile Legends, since numbers and text are more readable and it's just a more immersive experience. Powering the Y Max is a Snapdragon 660, 4 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of internal storage, which has been proven to be a good setup for overall performance. Again, also 5,000 mAh battery to keep that big display running long, and for software we get EMUI 8.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Taking a look at the cameras real quick, we get 16 plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras and an 8 megapixel front camera. And yeah, images aren't too great, whether for the front or rear camera. They're washed out and they have a soft quality to them. I suppose with good lighting, shots are usable for simple social media posts, but anyway. Now the Y Max is priced at 16,990 pesos, which is a steep price nowadays for a mid-range phone. Especially since similar performing phones with better cameras can be found for a lot less. But then again, with the Y Max, I guess what you're really paying for is that big screen. So what do you guys think about the Huawei Y Max? Are you gonna go big or go for something else? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been the Y Max, and I'll see you in the next one.